Hello, little learners. Welcome to Funseed Kidzy, where you play 교선 together.
Hello again, little friends. Today we learn more letters, W, X, Y, Z. Are you ready? Let's start together. This is letter W. W says wa. Can you say wa? W is for whale.
This is letter X. X says x. Can you say x? X is for X-ray.
This is letter Y. Y says ya. Can you say ya? Y is for yo-yo.
This is letter Z. Z says z. Can you say z? Z is for zebra.
W for whale, X for X-ray, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. Great job! You finished the alphabet! W whale, splash, splash, X X-ray, learn so fast, Y yo-yo, up and down, Z zebra, stripes in town, W X Y Z, ABC, complete!
Great job, little learners! You learned A to Z. I am so proud of you. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Subscribe for more fun learning.